Okay, thank you, Mama Mary. Thank you, Jesus. Salamat, maraming salamat.
Si Abby.
Hello everyone. So it's good that we're here today. It's a Sunday morning right after Mass. We thank the Lord for the 14th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Yes, 14th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Ang tagal ko na po hindi kayo nakakausap ng ganito, di ba? Okay. So actually this coming July 12, it will be the Feast of Saints Louis and Zélie Martha. Who are they? They are the parents of Saint Therese of the Child Jesus. Imagine, they're the first couple who were canonized together. Imagine, no? Together po talaga sila. Ang lahat ng mga anak nila ay, you will consider them holy kasi they went to, or they entered the convent. Okay, 4 of them, or 3 entered Carmel together with Saint Therese. They were not together in entering, of course, but they actually stayed in Carmel, no? And another one, si Marie Leonie po naging Sister Marie Therese Françoise. Parang she followed the name or the name of Saint Therese. Yung kanyang Christian name, naging religious name naman po ni Sister Marie Leonie. Okay. Oo, magiging santo na siya. She became a candidate for sainthood since 2015 pala. Imagine that. Ang dami po natin pwedeng pag-usapan about the faith. Actually, I don't have to go far. Hindi ko po kailangan gumastos ng pagkain para magkaroon ako ng update, no? 'Di ba? Ano na naman po ba yung ating content? So, today, I've decided to share with you about Saints Zélie and Louis Martha, the parents of Saint Therese of the Child Jesus. How did Saint Therese describe her parents? She actually said, God gave me a father and a mother who are more worthy of heaven than of earth. Ibig sabihin talagang she considered her parents holy. Oo, at a young age, imagine, no? So, Saint Therese died at 24 years old, kaya meron po tayong Saint Therese beads na 24 beads. Yan siya. So imagine, sabihin ba naman, most of the children today would say, ay nako, ang nanay at tatay ko napakasungit. Ganon, diba? O stricto masyado, o ganito, ganyan, pasaway. Pero hindi. For Saint Therese, she said, God gave me a father and a mother more worthy of heaven than of earth. Imagine that. If you wish, you please go to my collection of videos regarding the sacraments. Yes. So, hindi ko na po pinag-uusapan yung sa mga sakramento, sa mga panahong ito, no? Pero, listening to Sister Angging Fe, okay, it's very encouraging and inspiring. Sabi ko, why not go back to this topic? Kasi, kukonti lang pong nagsasalita, kukonti lang, very few are discussing about the sacraments, diba? Which are very much needed in our communities today. Napakahirap po kasi, no? Napakahirap ang pag-usapan ang tungkol po sa mga pananampalataya ng mga tao. Ganyan. Otherwise, parang minsan po masasabi mo, maybe you will be aggressing. Hindi naman po aggression yun, no, 'di ba? So, pero you're just sharing about the faith, and imagine ang dami pong kailangan at pwedeng pag-usapan. Yes, kailangan po natin panatilihin ang ating mga buhay na may pananampalataya, may pag-ibig at may pag-asa. Chirping of the birds. Hi, Cloud! Yuhu! Okay. Pande Manila, Pande Manila. Masarap na pande koko. Initin ang pandesal. Okay. Okay. Timpla-timpla ng kape. Magtimpla ng kape. Magtimpla ng kape. Okay. Magkakain ng breakfast.